Serbia has been quietly upgrading its military over the years, mixing older Soviet-era systems with newer technology and local upgrades. It is not about having the biggest army, it is about building a force that is flexible, modern, and ready for different types of threats, from tanks and drones to advanced air defense systems. Here are 10 of the most powerful military assets Serbia has today. At number 10, Lazar 3. The Lazar 3 is a modern armored vehicle designed to safely transport troops through dangerous zones while still being able to fight if needed. It comes with solid armor protection, including resistance against mines and ambushes, which is crucial in modern conflicts. On top, it can be equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station, allowing soldiers to engage targets without exposing themselves. It may not be the most powerful system on this list, but it plays a key role in keeping troops protected, mobile, and ready to respond quickly in any situation. At number 9, Nora B-52. Next is the Nora B-52, a long-range artillery system that gives Serbia serious firepower from a distance. Mounted on a truck, it can move quickly, set up fire, and relocate before the enemy can respond, something known as shoot and scoot. It can hit targets over 40 kilometers away with high accuracy. This makes it extremely valuable on the battlefield, allowing Serbia to strike deep targets while staying out of direct danger. At number 8, Pantsir 16. The Pantsir 16 is designed to deal with modern aerial threats, especially drones and low-flying aircraft. What makes it interesting is that it combines both guns and missiles, giving it flexibility depending on the type of target. It can quickly switch between engaging small drones or larger threats. As drone warfare becomes more common, systems like Pantsir 16 are becoming essential for protecting troops and critical areas from sudden aerial attacks. At number 7, J-22 Oro, Eagle. The J-22 Oro, also known as Eagle, is a ground attack aircraft designed for close air support and strike missions. It can carry rockets, bombs, and cannons, making it effective against ground targets like vehicles and fortified positions. While it is not the most modern jet, its simple design and reliability allow it to operate from rough airfields and deliver consistent firepower. It still plays a role as a rugged and dependable strike aircraft. At number 6, Mi-35M. The Mi-35M is often described as a flying tank, and for good reason. It is heavily armed with rockets, anti-tank guided missiles, and a powerful cannon, making it extremely dangerous for ground targets. It can also transport a small number of troops, adding extra versatility. This helicopter gives Serbia the ability to deliver fast, heavy firepower from the air while supporting ground operations in real time. At number 5, M84 tank. The M84 is the backbone of Serbia's armored forces. While it is based on the older T-72 design, upgrades have improved its fire control systems, optics, and protection, keeping it relevant on the modern battlefield. It remains a dependable and battle-ready tank, providing strong armored support and frontline combat capability when it is needed most. At number 4, CH-92, a drone. The CH-92A represents Serbia's move into modern drone warfare. It can carry out surveillance missions, track targets, and launch precision strikes using guided munitions. This allows for accurate attacks with minimal risk to human pilots. Drones like this are changing warfare, and the CH-92A gives Serbia a smarter and more precise way to operate on the battlefield. At number 3, MiG-29. The MiG-29 is still Serbia's main fighter jet and a key part of its air force. Even though it is an older design, upgrades have improved its radar, avionics, and weapons, allowing it to stay competitive in modern air combat. Its main role is to protect Serbian airspace, intercept threats, and maintain control of the skies when needed. At number 2, Pantsir S1. The Pantsir S1 is a highly effective short to medium-range air defense system. It combines rapid-fire cannons with guided missiles, allowing it to engage targets at different ranges and react very quickly. This makes it especially effective against drones and incoming missiles. It is a key part of Serbia's defense strategy, helping create a fast-reacting shield against sudden aerial threats. At number 1, FK-3 Air Defense System. At the top is the FK-3, one of Serbia's most advanced air defense systems. It is capable of detecting, tracking, and engaging multiple targets at the same time, including aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. Its long range allows it to protect large areas instead of just a single location. This system plays a key role in building a layered defense, making it much harder for any threat to break into Serbian airspace.